Welcome. In today's teaching, I'm going to walk you through on how to cancel Microsoft 365 personal plan in easy steps. Okay, so if you are using Microsoft 365 personal, which includes the family and home plan, this guide will walk you through on how you can cancel the subscription if you don't want it to keep running. So the next first step we have to take is to open our browser. So I'll be using Edge here. So I've opened it. Then visit account.microsoft.com. Account.microsoft.com. You can see that here. Okay. So visit that website and log in with your subscription details, okay, which includes your email address and your password. Okay, I'll be logging in with this device, and that's why I'm logged in automatically. You can see that Godwin Tech. Now the next step you have to take as you are on this website homepage is to click on services and subscription. So click on that spot for it to open. All right, here it shows that I'm running Microsoft 365 personal plan. Okay, the next step we need to take is click on this spot. That's manage. Okay, you click on that spot, then it will give us this drop down. All right, the manage button. Then here you can see some options here: billing history, redeem a code, or prepaid card. But our target here is to cancel the subscription. So this is the option you need to click on: cancel subscription. Okay, so and once you do that, a new page will open. If we want to proceed, just hit this button, come down to this button of the page and say I don't want my subscription. Once you take this last step, you're good to go. I've covered a video before on how to do that, but that is for business plan. So that's why I decided to make this video and how to cancel it for those that are running personal plan. I hope this video helps. Please, if it does, please do well to like it. Also, if you have not subscribed to my channel before now, do well to subscribe to that by hitting the subscribe button. Thank you and see you some other time.